Alright, YouTube, this is going to be a short, quick video of my GX3. Lately in other videos, I have been getting requests about this compressor, also the heel, and we'll do an update on the heel later. But I'm getting ready to do another video for you guys. One, and I can't remember the gentleman's handle who requested this, but he wanted to know the difference in my two Varox. So I'm going to do a video on that for you guys. But right now, that Varox, that's my what I call wah, is needing air so we can complete this comparison. So I could get outside and get it done. So without further ado, 3,000 PSI is what we're going to field to. Okay. Alrighty. This is real time, guys. This is a real time feel. I know that some people have told me that their Varox was really slow. Now this is a small tank. I mean, not their Varox, but their GX3 was really slow. So this is a small tank. I think I ran it down to like 1,200 PSI. No smoke, still chugging. Both Varox are the same, by the way. They're both 22 caliber. They're shooting similar scopes. They're snipers, they're different models, but the same objective, 4x16 by 56. More about them shortly. I think this has about 5-6 run hours on it. The heel has 7. This one doesn't have quite as many. It's about done. Alright, and I think that this pump has actually gotten better with age. It's now, I don't know, just I think a little bit over a year and a half old. It seems to have gotten a little quieter. It used to have like a little tick to it as it ran. That's no longer there. Wait. Let's bleed it. It was blowing out cool air, so it didn't even get warm. But for you guys who wanted to know, hey, is that compressor still running? Well, I hope that's your answer. Okay? So still loving my CS GX3. It was well worth the money. Alright guys, until next video, which is in probably about 45 minutes to an hour, stay safe, shoot straight.